Good morning, and you are joining us at a very wet Wednesday in Wiltshire. Another day out for me, Tracy and Daisy today. Luke's still at work, so that sucks a bit. But yeah, we've got a day out, got a bit of cover here, which is nice. So we are venturing off to the Roman baths in Bath. So yeah, not done that before. Daisy has on a couple of school trips. She's done it before, and Tracy reckons she's been there as well. But I'm pretty sure I've never been. So yeah, really keen to see what it's all about. So we will see you at Bath. So we are here. The car park was a bit of a nightmare.
Yeah, the parking is just like really tricky, really.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And the weather is horrible, but we're still up for a fun day. Tracy's got a fun fact that she heard on Twitter today about the Roman baths.
Yeah, the Roman baths tweeted on a recent survey by Lonely Planet. Apparently they've come fourth in a list of UK travel experiences, which was really interesting. And apparently Stonehenge has actually come eighth. So Roman baths is obviously a better experience to travel to than Stonehenge. So we will let you know if we think the same.
Yeah, so they got a lot to live up to because we are from Stonehenge. So if this place is claiming to be way better than Stonehenge, we want to know why. So we're going to go and explore. We're going to park up, get our ticket, and we will probably see you at the baths. So Daisy has adopted role of team leader.
I don't really.
But Bath is nice. It's a nice little shopping bit. So we're just wandering around looking for signs. To be honest, for me it just feels a bit like we're roaming about.
Oh, I like that one actually. Good job.
So here we are. Tracy just made a good point. It literally just seemed to appear from nowhere. So yeah, it looks really impressive. So we're going to head on in. Oh, it's really nice. So Daisy is team leadered straight off. You got lost?
I didn't, I got stuck.
Oh wow, it looks amazing. We're going to jump in the line, get some tickets. Amazing. So if there was ever a deterrent to not sit on a wall, that might be it. Go on, Daisy.
I'll get a detention.
So we are in. Looks stunning. So just heading in. Let's get the tickets. That's nice in it, isn't it? And you get free special water.
Yes, you get free spa water to drink. Apparently it has healing properties to drink it as well as bathe in it. So
I'm gonna get in.
we'll get lots.
So these are just some of the awards that they've won. They're all over it. So we were in. So for 2 adults and sort of Barnet out. And for Daisy it was £52. So there's a museum bit which we're going to do now, which should take about 40 minutes, and then we're going to head down and hopefully do the guided tour. There's also an audio tour here which people seem to be doing, but yeah, we're not going to do that. I think we'll just go for the guided tour. So yeah, have a mooch about. So what is quite funny, everybody that's doing the audio tour is walking around with the handsets to their ears. So it literally looks like everyone's on their phone. Is this the Great Bath?
Yeah, I haven't had a shower yet, so I'm really sorry, but
it's amazing.
how much would you have a wash in there for? Would you do it?
Would I do it?
Yeah.
Probably.
Really?
Yeah.
But how much for?
I like being clean.
I don't think that's clean water.
What you got there, Days?
I don't like it. Gross.
So Daisy's just got a fun fact.
So after everyone is like squeaky clean,
So they come for their baths.
they've had their like wash, and then they come in here, and the priests will sacrifice animals or some other creatures.
And what would you do that on?
On my uncle, and they'd watch it for fun.
And what?
Watch it for fun.
What, like the telly?
Yeah. To be fair, he didn't have Stranger Things in those days. So.
Yeah, so the next best thing?
Sacrifices.
Yeah, so you can see the steam coming off the water. Wonder how, oh, it's bubbling. That's so cool. Finally, I love these machines. So you drop your penny in there. It's not working, but that should move backwards and forwards.
2p machines.
And then it comes out here.
You get a lolly, a chop chop.
But don't push them, because when you push them, the alarms go off. You've done like all the nice chromey bits and the glass banisters. I've done a nice job on it. Oh, gift shop, Daisy. So we're in the gift shop. What we got here, Daisy?
Some soap, because I left mine at home.
I don't think you can actually get in the baths and have a scrub.
What? I left mine at home. I can't get in without it.
Don't go throwing any bath bombs in.
Well, there's a rush around the corner. I've come prepared.
We've got some postcards and some books. This is part of the spring. Oh, you can actually feel. Oh wow! You can.
The overflow of the spring on the other side.
Right, but can you? If you hold your hand over, it's like your bath. You can feel like the heat coming off the bath.
Yeah.
That's so cool.
Probably can't see it on camera. You can see the steam.
Yeah, I'm not sure if the camera's going to pick it up, but yeah, you can see the steam coming off. But it is really, really warm. It's like going in the bathroom after Luke's been in there.
It's like stepping off the plane in Glasgow.
Yeah, so that bit was the sacred spring overflow.
I'm hench.
Go on in.
Oh gosh. You don't know your own strength, Daisy. I don't, you're right. Stronger than the Romans.
Yeah, that could be your tagline, Daisy, stronger than a Roman.
Stronger than a Roman.
So if you wanted to learn a little bit more about this place, there you go. So we're out in the actual bath now. It's pretty incredible. So we've got some people in costume. I'm not sure what this is about, but we've got a dude in red coming up. Right, Daisy, see how warm it is.
I love to touch it. No. Beware. Harsh.
It's harsh. I want you to touch that.
Oh, I need to
They're touching it. I'm touching it.
It's not safe to drink.
So you've got this like hot spring running along there, which goes straight into there. I'm not sure if you can see it, but there's actually steam coming off the water. I've just dipped my hand in. It's warm, like getting in a bath warm. Yeah, it's weird.
It's really cool.
You haven't touched it, have you?
Not scared. It's not safe to touch.
Right, so it's coming up for 1 o'clock. The guided tours start at
On the hour.
on the hour. So we're gonna go and get involved in a walking tour, guided tour. And if you look over there, we have got some people dressed in costume. So I hope they're going to be part of it. That looks like it could be fun. This is really cool. So it's like a lead pipe. So it's like early plumbing, which is very impressive.
Partly by working out what these idiots did on top. Because it was found in 1879, essentially by accident, that drain kind of blocked. The Roman plumbing was so incredible that every day we get 1.2 million litres of naturally hot water coming through here. It comes out to 45 degrees, proper hot land. It's about 38. People didn't bathe in the spring through there, partly because it is too hot, and partly because that's where the goddess lives, and if you jump in there, she'll grab you by the ankle like Jaws. This is the only thing that matters about history. History is not just about kings and emperors and generals and all those sort of rich white dudes back in the day. History is about all that human window up there. That's exactly how the Romans used it. Except it's more sort of like a wishing effect. You don't want to have to shout unless you're ridiculous.
Right, you in? Well, we've just done the tour with Luke.
Yeah, it was amazing. He was so funny and so informative.
Yeah, absolute highlight.
Really good.
If you come here, make sure we do one of the tours. If you can find Luke,
Yeah.
or ask when Luke's one is. He was
Brilliant.
unbelievable.
So funny. So he just made it so real. If he was your history teacher at school, you would just learn loads. He was just obviously enthusiastic, but just funny with it.
Yeah. It was a bit like Horrible Histories.
Yeah.
So good.
Right, so now we're going to go and find some of this spring water and rejuvenate, and then probably a bit of lunch.
I know what Luke should do.
What?
When they redo Spaceship Earth, he should be the narrator for Spaceship Earth.
Yeah, this has definitely got a Spaceship Earth feel to it. Right, fancy water time. This bridge is so weird.
If you look down, it's really strange.
I don't like it. Daisy's going in for some spa water.
Tastes like pennies.
Tastes like pennies. Oh. Right, so it's warm, which we weren't expecting. It's alright. Definitely it doesn't taste like you should be drinking it.
It tastes like metal. It's like got pennies in it. Or
River water.
Yeah.
warm river water with pennies in.
Yeah, that's when we try and market this. That's going to be our sales campaign.
No, I think it will sell.
Yeah, warm river water. It's not as good as Peckham Spring, and that's where you get it from. Just like a little tap running all the time. So what we've got here, Trace.
These were floor supports, and they pumped hot smoke from the fires under the floors to heat. So it was the original underfloor heating that we think is like so new and technological today, but the Romans were doing it like way back then. Incredible.
Yeah, it is really cool. So we're exiting out of the gift shop. What have we got there?
Bee pollen.
Bee pollen.
These jars are from IKEA.
No original Roman jars.
So loads of touristy bits, which is really cool. Lots of souvenirs.
Roman coin chocolate.
Oh, do you know what? I wonder if they sell Caesar dressing. Oh.
They probably do.
No, I doubt it.
So what have you found there, Daiso?
It's in Harry Potter. Don't mind if I do.
Is it really all in Latin? Open it up, let's have a look inside.
Chamber of Secrets.
Oh, blimey.
Quidditch. They haven't actually found a
Latin word for Quidditch. Sounds kind of Latin anyway, doesn't it?
Yeah.
Inquit Harriets.
So we're going to go and look for something to eat, but Bath is really fantastic. The architecture is amazing. Yeah, really, really cool.
Scary.
It's cool. Botanist?
Botanist. Like Botanist.
Nice, let's go. Managed to bag seat a table in the Botanist, which is really nice. We've got a nice little bit just to ourselves. So thoughts on the Roman baths at Bath?
I really liked it. The tour was the best bit though.
Yeah, he was amazing.
Yeah, really good.
Yeah.
Yeah, the tour really made it, and we did the museum bit before the tour because we arrived. The tours are on the hour, so we arrived at 12:15, so we did the museum bit first, and then the tour. I think if we'd done the tour first, then the museum, I think we'd have got a lot more out of the actual museum bit.
Yeah.
Also, I'd also recommend having one of the audio guides as well.
Yeah. Yeah, 100%. I think we missed the trick by not doing the. Audio tour at the beginning. But yeah, it was really, really good. It was really busy. Yeah. So we're now in the Botanist. Just ordered our food. So we might show you what we've got for lunch in a bit. So before it gets totally destroyed, what have we got here, Daiso?
Some baked camembert.
What's with it? Crudities and
Some bread.
Which I like. Terrible, I'd imagine. Pork scratchings.
Thank you.
So here's Daisy's burger. Oh, I caught you at a really good spot as well, didn't I? Let's have a look. I've gone for the satay prawns. And Tracey has gone for...
Chicken, it's got chili and sweet chili sauce. It's dripping onto the fries, which are sage and I think something fried.
A very nice lunch. So I think the girls want to do a little bit of shopping and then back to the car. We're just walking through the streets, but look at that view. You're surrounded by all these hills and it's very pretty.
Just look up there though, I just noticed that whole like...
Yeah. Well, we're all home and that's the end of another great day. Bath Roman Spas were brilliant. It started off feeling a bit like a school trip. It was really busy and we definitely missed a trick by not doing the audio tour. So if you do decide to do it, make sure you do the audio tour. You're going to walk around like this and there are certain points that give you prompts to give you more on the audio tour as you move around the museum part. But then we did the guided tour and the guy that took our guided tour was called Luke and he was amazing. He was almost like a horrible history, sort of almost a bit like a stand-up comic, but worked there. I think they all work for the council that look after the place. He was amazing, super interesting. You get to try the water, which you saw, which is not my favourite or the rest of their favourites, but it was brilliant. Should be noted that if you book the day before midnight, you get a 10% online discount. We didn't do that. We tried to book in the morning, and you can't do that. But a great day. Hope you enjoyed this. If you did, please like and subscribe for future content. And that's it. Cheers, ears.